Celestron StarSense DX 5-inch, beginner's secret to spotting galaxies tonight?
Ever felt like the night sky is mocking you? Endless stars up there, but your telescope's just a pricey paperweight gathering dust? That frustrating hunt for Jupiter or the Orion Nebula, squinting at charts in the dark? Yeah, we've all been there, fumbling like cosmic amateurs. Drop a comment if this hits home. What's your worst stargazing flop? Let's laugh it off together before we flip the script on those starry teases.
Picture this: deadlines from work bleeding into your downtime, stress piling up like uncharted constellations, and burnout hitting harder than a meteor shower. You're craving that wide-eyed wonder of childhood skygazing, but who has time for tangled manuals or endless trial and error? Imagine reclaiming those clear nights without inviting more chaos into your life. Sounds like a rebellion against the ordinary, right? Stick around. This could be your escape hatch.
Enter the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 5-inch telescope, the sly rebel that's crashing the astronomy party for beginners tired of playing hide-and-seek with the stars. Dock your smartphone, fire up the patented StarSense app, and boom! Your phone morphs into a celestial GPS, scanning star patterns overhead to nail your exact position without a single Wi-Fi plea. No polar alignments, no star-hopping marathons, just follow those cheeky on-screen arrows to planets, nebulae, and galaxies that pop like hidden treasures. Take Sarah, a harried graphic designer who once ditched her dusty scope after one failed Saturn hunt, until StarSense turned her backyard into a thrill ride. In minutes, she locked on to Jupiter's swirling storms, the app's curated list whispering, "Tonight's best targets," like a secretive friend. Feel that electric tingle? The 130mm Schmidt-Cassegrain optics, laced with Starbright XLT coatings, deliver razor-sharp views of the moon's craters and Andromeda's glow, pulling you into a sensory whirlwind of cosmic depth and color. It's not just seeing stars, it's tasting infinity. And here's a mini reward to hook you. That dual-axis slow-motion mount? It glides like butter, keeping your bullseye green for uninterrupted awe. Keep scrolling for the bonus trick that saved a pro astronomer's family night. Your intuition screaming yes already, isn't it?
Now let's crank up the magic. With the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 5-inch, efficiency surges as you slash setup time from hours to heartbeats, freeing your focus for the real rush, those jaw-dropping performances of Saturn's rings slicing the velvet black, or the Orion Nebula's hazy embrace. It's like upgrading from a clunky bike to a rocket. Your nights ignite with purpose, stress melting into euphoric flow. Why settle for squinting when this app-enabled beast hands you 10,000+ celestial gems on a silver platter, tailored to your spot and hour? Experts are buzzing too. One astronomy pro raved, "It's the confidence booster manual scopes dreamed of, nailing positions in under a minute and turning newbies into nebula ninjas." A tech influencer gushed, "The plate-solving smarts make it feel like cheating. Crisp Jupiter moons on night 1. No cords or batteries in sight." Analysts call it the smart push-to king, bridging tech-savvy ease with pro-grade optics that outshine pricier go-to rigs. And users? A city dweller confessed, "Light pollution? No match. I bagged 6 Messier objects solo, ditching the frustration for pure thrill." Another parent shared, "Kids turned it into a starry scavenger hunt. The arrows kept everyone glued. No more 'where's the thing' whines." See why thousands rave about this game changer? It's controversially simple. Why did no one think of smartphone dock sky sooner? Which feature would rescue your next clear night? The instant target list or those silky slow-motion nudges? Comment below and spill. Let's build that cosmic curiosity together. If you're wrestling with fiddly scopes or light-leaking city skies, the Celestron StarSense Explorer DX 5-inch may just rewrite your starry script. Join the ranks of thrilled beginners who've leveled up their wonder without the hassle. Limited stocks vanishing fast. Snag yours now and unlock that exclusive app tip for dew-proof planetary peaks that pros hoard. One user beamed from 0 to Galaxy Hunter in one evening. Pure magic! Comment yes if you're ready to ditch the dark and dive in. Don't just dream of the stars. Grab this telescope today and let the cosmos call your name.